Off we go, guys. Okay guys, here's the challenge. We ain't using the steps, we're using the slope. Let me just turn you around and show you what I mean. There's the slope and there's the steps. Guess who's using the steps? Yeah, me. Who's going up the slope?
Me.
Yeah. Okay, challenge number 1.
I don't think I'm gonna
Stand
get
by.
better.
3, 2, 1. We're going for a little walk in the woods.
Dad, did you hear that?
Say again?
Did you hear that?
Wait, hey, what? Oh my god! Quick, run! Come on! Ah!
We've never done drama in our life.
I'm just going to ask this pump the directions. Hey pump, do you know which way the walk is? This way? Okay. He says this way.